Hello everybody. In this explain how to use the fourth step, which is to configure fields to tables into the database. To start adding fields, go to step 4. Select the table that you want to add fields to it from here. I will choose country table. Then click add new field button. Choose the field type. Choose the field type. Then fill the field name. Then enter the field size. And lastly, choose if this field is required or not. Then click Save. You must select where do you want each field to be shown from here. The view is a must for each ID field, please don't forget that. Look at here in the live preview. Here is the country name field that has been generated. I will add data. Let's say USA. Then I will try to add USA one more time. It has approved the duplicate value. For prevents accepting duplicate value, I will click on this button beside the field I would like to support this feature to it. Then I will try to enter USA one more time. The value is not acceptable. Now I will add fields for the rest tables. Here are category table fields. I would like to view, update and add name for category. Now I will add fields to the brand table. First, I will add a foreign key. It must be an integer. It is from the category table. As you can see here you have options. And I will make as a required field. And I will add another field. And here are brand table fields. Here I have a foreign key. I will explain about the foreign key in the items table. And now I will complete add fields related to the items table. For foreign key fields, you must connect them with the main table by choosing which column you want to connect each foreign key with. By this box inside each foreign key field you can do it. For category forging key, I call it from its main table here. And same as for brand foreign key, I call it from its main table here. For these two tables, I just added one field for each one. Because of this I have here just one option for each. If I have more fields it will appear here on each one. As you can see here in the live preview on the item page I have these fields. Category name and brand name are the foreign keys that I have made. I will fill data in category and brand pages. Now I will add a new item. These are the data that I just fill in. It become from the category table and the same as for brand. As you can see here, I can view the data and update it. That's because I have checked these from here. If I uncheck the update for the item name field, you will see here that I will not be able to edit the data after I add it anymore. Also, I can add a text field type or an upload file field type. Look at here, I will add these fields for the item table. First I will add a description, so I will choose text. I will call it a description. Then here I will make it as a not required field. As you see here, because I chose to use text field type, I have editor support. I can use it by choose enable. Look at here, the editor for the description generated automatically. Now I will add upload file. I will choose upload file field type. I will call it photo device. Then I will choose which extension file I would like to support. I will choose these. Then I will make it not required field. The upload file for the image has been generated automatically. Just add an update. I can't view it because I don't check the view box. Thank you for watching.